I asked Attorney Conti, the accredited lawyer of the ICC. Attorney, Mr. Chair, kay Attorney Conti, sino po ba yung di ba merong list ang Office of Prosecutor ng ICC na iimbestigahan din. Sino ba yung mga nasa list aside from former President Duterte?
Well, first, Your Honor, actually we have another counsel, a counsel accredited with the ICC, Attorney Joel Butuyan of the Center Law is also present. But as to the question, Your Honor, most recently, the Office of the Prosecutor of the International Criminal Court identified 5 possible suspects in the investigation in the crimes against humanity in the Philippines. Foremost is former PNP Chief Bato de la Rosa, former PNP Chief Oscar Albayalde, Eliazar Mata, and 2 other names which escaped me, Your Honor. Romeo Karamat, yes, Your Honor. And
Romeo Karamat. Is that all?
there's a 5th one, Your Honor. Let me just check again.
Si Attorney Joel, meron po ba kayong alam? So, aside from former President Duterte, Albayalde, Karamat, De La Rosa, Patang.
Your Honor, I confirm the names that were mentioned by Attorney Conti, Your Honor, but there are actually no official confirmation from the ICC yet on the full list of the names that are under investigation in the ICC, Your Honor.
So, in your knowledge, Mr. Chair, in your knowledge, anyone can answer. So, in your knowledge, pag ganitong nasa Office of the Prosecutor and they are on the list of suspects, ano ba sila? Sinosomon ba sila? Or binibigyan sila ng sulat para mag-testify? Or sumagot doon sa
At this point, hindi pa po, Your Honor.
Attorney Conti?
Sorry, Your Honor. The last name is Colonel Edilberto Leonardo. Sorry. So 2 of those who are named as suspects in the document, well, as of now, it's unverified. But I believe that the document, there is high probability that it is correct and true, Your Honor. But as regards the question, in fact, the ICC is looking at a variety of actors, even regional, provincial, and city-level directors in charge of coordinating operations on the ground. The working theory of the ICC, as we know it, Your Honor, is that these killings were under the instruction of a group, in particular the Davao Boys or the Davao Group, and under the instruction or direction of President Rodrigo Duterte. And as it appears now, there are also private individuals involved. So may police po, tapos meron din pong private officials na involved na parang ang lumalabas isa po palang criminal gang. Kaya importante po yung punto tungkol sa reward system kasi yung po yata ang magdidikit-dikit sa kung paano nga ba napopondohan yung patayan.
Okay. So, thank you, Attorney.